Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I want to teach you a strategy, and by using it, you can filter the range market and have the most profitable trades. This strategy is made by two indicators. If you stay with me until the end of the video and pay attention to the points that I will tell you, you will experience profitable trades. I used this strategy in my recent trades, and in those trades, I closed them all with profits, and none of my trades were closed by loss. That's why I want to teach you this strategy. So encourage me by liking this video so I can make more videos for you. Dear traders, let's learn this strategy. This strategy is based on Heikin Ashi candles. We go to indicator section and search for smoothed Heikin Ashi SAM-X and add this indicator to our chart. After adding this indicator to our chart, we should go to candles section and change our candle into Heikin Ashi candle. So let's learn how this strategy works. As you can see, this indicator can detect the trend of market very well. It means that, like here, it detects the uptrends very accurately, and here it detects the downtrends too. How to use this indicator is like whenever the color of this indicator becomes white, we enter a buy position. And whenever the color of this indicator becomes purple, we enter a sell short position. But we have conditions. If our main candles are touched by the Heikin Ashi indicator candles, like here, we should not get into any trade. Or for example, here as you can see, this indicator detects the range market very well. It means that whenever our main candles are touched by the Heikin Ashi indicator candle, like here, that they are on the top of each other, we must not get into any trade. And it means that here the market is in range. But whenever our indicator gets far from the main candles and there is no touch, like here, we can enter a trade at that time. We should see what the color of this indicator is. For example here, that the candles of this indicator are purple, we get into sell short position. But if they are white, like here, we should get into long position. So now let's go to see some signals of this indicator. For example, you see here that our main candle gets far from the indicator and they are not on the top of each other. The color of indicator is white and our main candles are green. And here we have some powerful bullish candles, so we can enter a buy position. We placed our stop loss on previous bottom and set our first target on risk to reward 1.5. So as you can see, the price goes up and reaches our first target. Even we can set our next target on risk to reward 2, like here. As I told you, whenever our main candles hit the indicator candles, we should not get into any trade. Exactly like here, that the market is in range and our indicator detects it very well and it does not let us enter any trade. For example, here the color of indicator becomes purple and our main candles are powerful bearish candles. So when our main candles get far from the indicator candles, we can enter a sell short position, set our stop loss on the last ceiling and set our first target on risk to reward 1.5. I just taught you how this strategy works. Now, in order to increase the win rate of this strategy for having more profitable trades, we go and add one more indicator to our chart to increase the win rate to highest level. In the indicator section, we search for TSI, and in this part, we add this indicator to our chart. After adding this indicator to our chart, we go to its setting, and in this part, we go and change the color of the indicator lines. I make it a little lighter and also a little thicker. I do exactly the same thing for the other line too. Its color is okay, but I just make it a little thicker to see it more clear. After applying these settings, now I can use this indicator. For using this indicator, whenever the blue line crosses the red line downwards, we can enter a sell short trade. And on the opposite side, whenever the blue line crosses the red line upwards, we can enter a buy position, as you can see. Now that we've learned how to use this indicator, let's go to have some trades with this strategy. So for example, here we see that this indicator gives us a buy signal. It means that the blue line crosses the red line upwards. And exactly in this part, we have some bullish candles that they are so far from the indicator candles. So we can enter a buy position here. We place our stop loss on the previous bottom and set our first target on the risk to reward ratio 1.5. And as you can see, this trade reaches its target too. Now you're watching that we are in the live market. In this part, we see that our indicator gives us a sell signal, and exactly at that time, our another indicator gives us the same signal. So we could enter a sell short position. We set our stop loss on the last ceiling and set our first target on the risk to reward 1.5. And as you can see, the price moves and reaches our first target. So for example, in this part, we see that this indicator gives us a buy signal, and exactly in this part, our another indicator confirms the signal. If we enter this trade, it means we open our position here and set our stop loss on the last bottom and place our first target on risk to reward 1.5. We were in profit until now. Well, dear traders, in this video I taught you one of my best profitable personal strategies. And as you saw, for example in this part, that our indicator gave us some signals, but our other indicator detects that our market is in range here, and if we get into any trade here, we would definitely lose money. Combining these two indicators make a powerful strategy, and I taught it to you in this video. So try to watch this video carefully one more time to make more money from your trades. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For watching my next personal strategy, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on to be notified about my next videos. See you next time, and goodbye.